like a shadow stretched across my days. Your name still echoes through the air, but I no longer chase what's never there. I stood in rain that wouldn't end, waited for a heart that wouldn't bend. Now I see through the shattered glass, the love we had just couldn't last. Now I'm walking through the ashes of the rain. Every drop once held your name, but I'm stronger with every step I take. Every break now helps me wake. Whoa, yeah, I'm rising from the ashes of the rain. Flew away to brighter skies while I was drowning in your lies. But even pain can be a guide to find the light we hold inside. No regrets, just lessons learned from bridges crossed and ones we burned. The ghost of whispers in the breeze, but now I face it on my knees. I'm walking through the ashes of the rain, left behind but free from pain. I won't wait for what won't return, let the memories fade and burn. I'm finally leaving the storm behind, ashes of the rain in my mind. I'm walking through the ashes of the rain, left behind but free from pain. But I'm stronger with every step I take. Every break now helps me wake.